After a long time, I welcome you all, guys. And before starting the video and moving any further, I literally, from deep into my heart, from interior part of my heart, I want to say sorry to you all, guys, because I have not been regular. I literally was kind of engaged in other activities, and I agree that those activities were baseless, pointless, and literally did not have any importance and significance. I was just uh, went with the flow. That flow, oh, led me to some different areas, some different aspect. So you can say that I have done some activities. I mean something which I should have not. What the fuck I'm saying? Okay, so let's forget the past and live the present. Celebrate the present. So at the end of the day, I have come uh, to this journey again. The journey was already going on. So this aspect again we have started, and literally I'm sorry for not being regular. But now I promise you all, literally. Sometimes I promise, but this time literally I'm going to be um, regular, and in any case I would not leave this kind of recording the videos. Hmm? 15 minutes, it doesn't take any effort to record a 15-minute video, and it is just a kind of um, time pass, or you can say a way of a kind of break. So well, it's humorous that I did not do anything uh, in which I would have a need break. Actually, I was on break throughout these, 9-10 days. I have been in break. Okay, guys. So, as it is about the exams, the last video I think I recorded on the day of exam, or a day ahead of that. So today, I mean tomorrow is my geography exam, and yeah, I didn't ask you. I forgot to ask you that how my beard is looking. How is this? Fantastic, right? So I was telling that tomorrow is my geography exam, and it doesn't matter how much you read and how much you know. It's all, it's natural to be ignorant at some point of at some aspect, or some you would say some points are there, always there, that we don't know. So it's okay, because it just, after all, I'm giving. I literally am. It is shameful to say that in these 6 days I have just studied 2 days. The last one I studied is on second, 22nd, like 23rd of no, second, 22nd, yeah, 22nd of second, 22nd of Jan February, and today I'm studying for that. So it is shameful, but yeah, I'm shameless. Uh, Guys, after a long time, that's I'm talking to you after a long time. That's why it's getting afraid, derailed. But I promise you, I'll be in flow soon. Maybe from tomorrow, maybe from today, maybe from the last 5 minutes of this video. Hmm. Yeah, guys. So it's all about the exam, and it's okay. It depends. See, geography exam. I have understood. I have understood every. I mean, most of the topics here. In the geography, whatever I have learned, I have understood. What is remaining is the data part, memorizing part. But that's too easy. I'll do it. So it's not a big deal. But I just want the attitude. Attitude, the way I'll be writing the exam, and the way I'll be getting out after the exam. That is more important for me. Oh, other than that, nothing is important. I always say that exam is always secondary. What is important is my attitude, my behavior, my reaction towards that exam. Because it's just a pen and paper, the written ink, and if I would be like, oh, if that lines, if those lines, written lines, would be able to change my perspective, change my and make me uh, throw into the anxiety, then what would be the image of me, of mine, in my own uh, perspective, in my own, I should say, in my own eyes. Yeah, at least a pen and a paper, words written on a paper should never, must not have the power. I should not, I must not let those words to change my state of mind. Right? It's just an exam. If I know it, I'll be right. I'll be writing it. If I don't know it, I'll be writing something. And when it's about the MCQs, I'll be picking some MCQ. Okay, so it's literally going to be kind of interesting, very interesting, well. And all I want to say that this is needed. Hmm. I always emphasize on this. Blackish beard. Yeah, see from this side, 8:20. Okay, so I have this torch. So let me give you a closer version of the beard. Okay, guys, that's it. Hmm. So, what should we talk about right now? Hmm? Well, I'm completing the syllabus and I'll be doing it until it is done, no matter how sleepy I would feel, because it's just a training. Okay, a man can easily spend 2 or 3 days without sleep, and it's not a big deal for me. It's not a big deal. I have done it. So, and it's about the kind of last geography, not the least, but last geography exam, class 12th. So I think I can take this risk. I can do this. I can manage this. So I'll be pushing myself. Yeah, and I already have tomorrow's night to sleep. So it's going to be very easy. Hmm? Hmm. Yeah. So any one of you, like me, who is dealing with remembering the concept, the data, numerical data. So I would like to tell you that it is very easy to remember anything. It is very easy. You just have to make your brain active. Just reach. Just send the message. Make the message reach to your brain, and it has enormous power. Yeah, everything. Even a book, by reading uh, at a single time, by reading a whole book in a by reading a whole book single time, you can memorize it. Absolutely, you can memorize it, and it's not a big deal. Literally, it's your brain has limit that you set for it, and I think during the exam time there is no limit you should set. You should let your brain open. Okay. And yeah, it can do wonders. So I'm not afraid, yeah. Why I'm not afraid? Because I believe on myself, in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in my brain. This brain, huh? Right? This brain, which is still remembering everything. Okay. See, this is the brain. It is kind of attached. It is connected with the universe, and a single atom, tiniest atom, uh, has the capacity to create this world which is ever uh, expanding. It's also expanding right now. So I don't think that we should afraid about memorizing things. We can save it. Anything we can save, and that I know I'll do it. So there's no need to be panic about anything. Just chill, yaar, and if you are feeling sleepy, don't sleep. Don't sleep, because uh, whole life is after you, in front of you, to sleep. And sometimes I think sleep, we should avoid it. For exercise, let's take it as an exercise. Don't sleep. Clear your task. Rock. See, it's not about when it is about exam. It's literally not about how much you know in the exam. It's all about how you deal with those questions which you don't know, which you don't have any idea about, which you don't have any idea about those questions, and how you deal with those questions. That's make the whole difference here. If you are laughing at those questions, and just making smart tricks, playing smart tricks, that's more important. Uh, than sitting idle and thinking, yeah, oh shit, I've forgotten this answer. I could have learned this, and I could have referred to this book for these some questions. So no, it's really not about rote learning. If you're saying that this question I could have referred to this book, it's what are you doing? You're not creating. You're just copying, copying, and this can get you some marks, but these really don't going to matter, right? What's matter is your brain, your skills, how you deal with the situation. So be authentic, yeah, and let yourself be someone you never were. Hmm? So 15 मिनट हो गए हैं, और 2 मिनट की वार्ता और बची है अपनी, है नहीं भाई? काफ़ी मज़ेदार है। है ना भाई? खड़ा हूँ आज भी वहीं। ओह, तो यार काफ़ी काम करना है भाई, कपड़े वपड़े भी धोने हैं, ठीक है, और दाढ़ी वाड़ी भी बनानी है, कल स्कूल है ना, तो थोड़ी थोड़ी बना लूँगा, ज़्यादा नहीं तो। स्कूल में इतनी तो नहीं ले जाऊँगा ना, खैर वैसे ले लेने को तो मैं ले भी जा सकता हूँ, घंटा कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा। है भाई, क्या है, बढ़िया है। एंड मुझे लग रहा है, मुझे तो थोड़ा सा शक हो रहा है कि यार सेमी पेपर परसों ही ना। मैंने भेजा है, तो पता चल जाएगा उसमें 29 तारीख को पेपर है कि उसको पेपर है। हो सकता है कल सुबह ही पेपर हो। अबे हाँ यार, है इस लेवल तक हम आपको मजे मार देते हैं कि पता ही नहीं भैया, कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है, पेपर चल रहे हैं, फ़ोन चला रहे हैं, अप्पू सिंह देख रहे हैं, ये देख रहे हैं, लाइफ तो यही है यार, है। एक पेपर की वजह से लाइफ स्टाइल चेंज थोड़ी कर देंगे, हैं। हालांकि पढ़ेंगे वो अलग बात है, लेकिन ऐसा पगला दुल्लपंती नहीं करेंगे यार भाई, ये ऑथेंटिसिटी। पेपर है भाई, 10 बार किताबें पढ़ रखी हैं, इजी यार, अंडरस्टैंडिंग बैठ रखी है, दिमाग में सारे कंसेप्ट को पढ़ रखा है ना। डेटा का क्या है, आज करेंगे फिर रट्टा उठ के इन्होंने करनी है, इजीली सब कुछ किया हुआ है, बस चिंता की बात नहीं है। और बस आज के लिए वीडियो खत्म हुआ, बाय बाय।